So I'd like to request the paper ID or the team member present here.
Yes, sir.
Please continue.
Good afternoon, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Ayush Rawat, and this is my presentation of performance analysis of algorithms for credit card fraud detection. And in this presentation, I will gonna tell what credit card fraud is, and after that we will see what existing system we have built in our project. Then we will see about the related work which has done prior to our research, and then we will see the architecture we have applied in our project, and then we will check the results and compare them, and then we will see conclusion and what future work we can do to betterment for this project, and then we will see the references. So in the digital age, so many technologies are coming in market, and credit card is one of them, in which we can purchase goods and services, and we need to pay for them later. It make the life easier for working professionals. But in the generation where we are developing so fast in terms of technology, the consequences and threats also come across with it, and some frauds also come with credit card as well. Some of them are plastic frauds, in which person steal the information of cards, and then it use for fake purposes. And then we have identity fraud, in which some fake user or some victim try to be like a legit person, and use it for wrong purposes. And then we have first party fraud. In first party fraud, some individuals or organization misrepresent their identity, and use it for to gain the information of credit cards and users. And then we have card not present fraud, in which like in today's generation we are using UPIs, and in which we just need to insert our card details in UPIs, and then we don't need to carry our cards with us, and we can directly pay via UPIs. But this may also lead to the frauds as well. And then we have mail and telephone order frauds, like when we order something online, so there are all communication is held via mail or mobile numbers. So all the details and information are shared via mail and telephone, so it may also lead to the frauds. So earlier there was no existing system by which we can detect the fraud, and it was done manually. And the advantages of computerized system is to increase efficiency and reduce cost, and reduce the burden of paperwork, to save the management for recording of employees and all the transactions, to generate required reports easily. So related work which has done prior to that is there are many more investigated ML studies, where some algorithm were used to detect the credit card fraud, where logistic regression, decision trees, and random forest was done, and the random forest was found the highest accuracy with 96%. And there was some hybrid model as well, where one was the combination of support vector machine and KNN, which have given the accuracy of 95%, and the another combination was the of random forest, Ada boost, and naive bayes, which have given the accuracy of 97%. And there are some publications as well, where they have classified that how all the algorithm works on credit card fraud. The algorithm they have covered was the decision trees, random forest, logistic regression, and K nearest neighbor, and K mean clustering. So the architecture we have applied in our project was, firstly we have used a credit card data set. So credit card data set we have retrieved from the Kaggle website, which was the 2 days credit card data set of the US. And then we have done the pre-processing on the credit card data set, and the pre-processing we have removed all the empty lines, empty rows from the data. And then we have splitted the data into two parts. First one was the testing data, and second one was the training data. So training data was used to build or to train our all the algorithms via this training data, and then trained model will be used to test the data. So we have used 4 algorithms in our research. First one was the random forest, then ADA boost, then KNN, and then the logistic regression, where random forest and other boost was the decision tree based algorithms, and the KNN and logistic regression was the classification based algorithms. In random boost and in random forest and other boost, we have separated the different data set further in different categories, and revealed the decision trees for all of the categories, and then we give the test data to the all the categories, and which will be the majority answer, that will be the answer of these algorithms. And in KNN and logistic regression, we need to plot the graph, and according to plotting the graph, we just predict the test data, and then we give the answers. So these 4 algorithms we have used in our project, and then a result was all 4 algorithms gave the same accuracy of 99.9% to the first decimal place. But in terms of precision, recall, and F1 score, all the algorithms performed differently. So the k nearest neighbor was the best performing algorithm, where it was predicting the 20 fraud cases as normal, and which was the least false positive out of the 4 algorithms. So then we have a double logistic regression was at the last point, and conclusion was that KNN was the best fit for credit card fraud detection. And after that we have random forest, then ADA boost, and then the logistic regression in the descending order of in terms of accuracy, recall, and F1 score. And the future work we can do in this is that we can apply some deep learning algorithms, and we can use some different data sets for better accuracy, because in our data set we were not having the sufficient amount of fraud data. So we can use the different data set as well. And these are the references we have used in our presentation and research work, and these all are the references, and that's it. Thank you, sir.
Okay, please come on the conclusion part.
Yes, sir.
Please elaborate it.
Yes, sir. We have trained our model via 4 algorithms, and then we have given the test data to all the algorithms, and we have checked the accuracy with the help of heat maps, and the KNN was giving the best results, and then random forest was giving good, and then ADA boost, and then the logistic regression. So it was a descending order of accuracy. Accuracy was the same, but the descending order of recall and F1 score. And about future work, so in future work we can use the different data set, as this data set based off 2 days of US data set. So there was a less amount of fraud data. So we can use different data set as well, and we can use some deep learning algorithms for that also.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ayush, sir. I would like to request the